Welcome to our case study on a credit risk machine learning platform for a leading non-banking financial company in India. Over 4 months, we focused on reducing non-performing assets and automating credit risk decisions. Let's explore the challenges faced and the innovative solutions implemented to enhance credit risk prediction. The non-banking financial company faced significant challenges with rule-based underwriting, leading to high delinquency rates. A scalable machine learning platform was essential to leverage historical and bureau data effectively. The primary goal was to enhance credit risk prediction accuracy and significantly reduce non-performing assets, NPAs. We integrated 5 years of internal lending data with 3 credit bureau application programming interfaces, creating over 150 features using PySpark. Our models, including XGBoost, Random Forest, and Logistic Regression, were developed to enhance credit risk prediction. This robust data and modeling approach laid the foundation for real-time scoring and effective monitoring. Real-time API scoring seamlessly integrates with length of stay and field officer dashboards, enhancing decision-making. Power BI dashboards monitor drift, delinquency, and model insights, ensuring robust oversight. This deployment guarantees smooth integration and effective monitoring, setting the stage for impactful results. Approval accuracy soared by 26%, enhancing bad loan detection. Turnaround time plummeted from 36 hours to under 6, while new non-performing assets are projected to drop by 18 to 24%. The platform now scales to over 1 million annual applications, revolutionizing efficiency and compliance in credit risk management. Our technology stack is robust, utilizing PySpark and Airflow for data engineering. We employed scikit-learn, XGBoost, and SHAP for modeling, ensuring precise predictions. Amazon Web Services, Elastic Compute Cloud, Simple Storage Service, and Lambda provided scalable infrastructure, supporting seamless integration and real-time processing, enhancing the platform's efficiency and reliability. The client testimonial highlights a remarkable transformation in the underwriting process. Predictive accuracy and real-time decisioning have significantly enhanced portfolio quality. Field officers are now empowered to make faster, smarter lending decisions, thanks to the machine learning-based credit risk platform. This advancement underscores the platform's impact on operational efficiency and decision-making. Next steps involve expanding the platform for top-up loan prediction, focusing on prepayment risk, and integrating unified payments interface-based behavioral scoring. This continuous improvement aims to enhance predictive capabilities and operational efficiency, ensuring the platform remains robust and adaptable to evolving financial landscapes. The machine learning platform revolutionized credit risk management for the non-banking financial company, enhancing decision-making and operational efficiency. This project sets a benchmark for future financial technology solutions, showcasing significant improvements in credit risk prediction and operational scalability.